Welcome back. Period. We back. Make sure you like this video, subscribe down below, comment if they're available, hit that notification, you'll get a notice when I post. Period. But if you want to see how I did this hairstyle, make sure you stay tuned for the rest. Follow all my social medias down below: Instagram, Snap, Twitter, TikTok. And let's get into this video. Yes, just let me tell you something before we get into this video. Your girl got some news for y'all. This week, she found out what type of hair she was. Yes, I know y'all want to know. Do y'all want to know? I'm going to tell y'all anyways. Your girl is at 4A/4B hair, mainly at 4B hair, but that's not why we here, baby. We here to do 2 slick putts. So I'm going to take this out. But first, you want to take a ratchet comb or just a regular comb and put down the middle of your head. I'm not going to show you back. It is fixed, but I'm just going to turn around and just show y'all. But I already got split in because last hairstyle I did need a middle part. I just kept it in and did. It's so neat and clean, y'all. I know y'all see that. But what I do, twist these one by one, and I'm gonna comb each one individually. They're not nappy, so comb from the end. I really don't comb from the end. I just comb, and then I'm going in with if it would focus, baby girl. Well, this Cantu curling cream. I'm just going in with this to the ends of my hair to have it moisturized. I'm just taking this and I'm going to do this to all 3 pieces. Just stroking my hair. And now I'm going to go with the comb again and just comb out it again. So that's what we're doing. I might fast this up a little bit. I don't know if that's the word. I don't use that word. But you see? You're saying? Okay. I'm going to do the same to the other one. Comb. Then we taking the curling cream. Ooh, that's a lot. Y'all see that for this little pump of hair? For that little pump of hair. That was a lot. And then I just combine it with the other. I'm going to take this one out, the last one. Comb it. And curling cream. That was a lot too. Baby girl, what am I doing? So, you see, the product really is at the bottom of my hair. You see that? You see that little curl? Ooh. It's not gelled up here, but that look good. I'm gonna just take that back and comb it. That piece, this side really don't need to be pinned up. I'm gonna take this out. My hair. I'm gonna just take it. I really don't. I'm gonna comb the roots out. I'm gonna comb the roots out now. look on the roots on now. It's combed out. It's combed out now. I'm just going to put it in the pot. It's easy. This is an easy routine. It's really hard about it. I'm gonna bring this up to a pot. Oh, I was looking for my brush. I was like, where's my brush? I was gonna brush this up a little bit. I didn't put water on this today, on my brush today, but water do give you streakage, and I'm not trying to have streakage. So I'm just brush that up dry. But now here's for the good part. Let's take that back down. We is using this Cantu Sheer Butter Maximum Hold Anti-Shedding with honey styling gel. This is one of their newest products from Cantu. Don't be bashing me in the comments about Cantu products. It works for me, and that's all I got to say. Period. Yeah, but this I just started using. I'm gonna just stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna do product review. I can't do this gel to see if it actually works. But we're gonna bring our hair up again. Take a little bit of gel. I hope y'all can see that. I had something to pop up out of nowhere. I'm gonna just gel this thing. I'm not really using a lot. I know I'm not using a lot. It may seem to y'all I'm using a lot, but I'm not. I hope y'all cannot hear that noise in the sound, but that's my family and living. So, I'm gonna grab the brush again. This part really is like not hard for me, but I get looser hair. So really not brushing up, nothing. Now I'm like brushing it up. I'm just brushing this up. If y'all haven't, go like this video and subscribe. Be a part of this fam. So I'm pushing it back a little bit because I don't like my put all the way in my front of my hair. I like them a little back. I wrap this about 3 to 4 times or 3 times really. I don't wrap it too tight or too loose, but yeah, wrap it good enough. I'm gonna just stretch this piece of hair. Ooh, y'all see that? I know y'all see that. But that's really what a puff is. I might go ahead and rewear this part on the other side, but I'm just doing the same side to this. Before I get to it, just like I said, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe down below. Why can't I talk today? And comment. I hope my comments are able, but you know YouTube. If I'm not, I might have a community post on this video. Go comment on there. But I love this. So this is the finished look. You can add accessories if you wanted to. Little knot bows on the end to show. But this is the final look. I like how it came out. This is a simple tutorial how to do it. But make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Like this video. Subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell. Make sure you do that so you get a notification when I post. Comment down below Hope my comments are available. To see what other videos you want. But if it's not, if my comments are enabled, make sure you go to my community page for this video and comment there. Peace out.